Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever noticed that when you read a letter from someone, you really get to know more about who they are as a person? This book is called The Letters of Oscar Hammerstein II. This is a collection of letters from and to American music theater's greatest innovator, Oscar Hammerstein. I really think one of the quotes on the back of the book from Stephen Sondheim sums up how I feel about this book. It says, "What a generous man Oscar was, to write so many letters that actually went into detail about the art and the craft, and life itself was a time-consuming job. Reading them makes me feel proud and privileged to have known him, and sad that he isn't around." So if you're interested in knowing Oscar Hammerstein better, I highly recommend getting this book. These letters are just an amazing collection of correspondence, both to him and from him, that give you a unique perspective into who he was as a person, what he was passionate about. You almost sitting down with him and getting to talk to him about things that he cares about and the process of what brought him to create the musicals that you've come to know and love. And that is my point of view.